Good morning, 6th class children. Get ready for the class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. We are doing in previous class about natural numbers and whole numbers. N stands for natural number and W stands for whole number. Natural numbers are, I already explained to you, counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The least number, minimum, last number, least number is 1. There is no largest number. And from in this whole numbers, starting number is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all natural numbers are there in whole numbers, but whole numbers are not there in n. Means there is no 0. There is no 0 in natural numbers. That's why natural numbers are whole numbers. We know the properties of these numbers: closure property in addition and closure property in multiplication. Simultaneously, both. And commutative property in addition, commutative property in multiplication. In addition, we say commutative property a plus b is same as b plus a. It is addition. In multiplication also, in multiplication, here a into b is same as b into a. Addition, commutative property, commutative property, commutative property. And in associative property, three numbers. Associative property, associative property. A of b plus c is same as a plus b of c. You can write anyway. In this also, if a into b of into c is same as a into b into c, right? First of all, we have to simplify the bracket and additive identity. Additive identity. Here 0 is additive identity, 1 is multiplicative identity, and inverse of plus a is minus a, and minus a inverse is plus a. Here x inverse is 1 by x, and 1 by x inverse is x, like this. And there is a distributive property also in addition in multiplication. Distributive property a of b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. These are the properties of these numbers. Reflexive property, closure property. And what is closure property? Closure property, sum of any two natural numbers is also a natural number. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is a natural number and whole number also. And multiplication into 7 into 5, 35, or 5 into 7, 35. That is called closure property. Now, I will give few problems. Let us do this. First question, fill in the blanks. Note down these first properties. Number 1. 0 and 8759,083 into 1. 879 into 56 is equal to 56 into 4. 100 into 100 into dash dash equal to 5 zeros. 5 zeros. Fifth, 27 into 30, 98 into 35 is equal to 35 into dash dash into 27. Sixth, 87 into 19 is equal to 19 into 80 plus 7. 205 into 69 into is equal to 200 plus 69 into 200 of 69 into 200 plus 69 into dash. Okay. Some questions. Yes. Now, multiplication by 0 is nothing, 0. And this is the multiplication same by 1, same product we get 59083. And this is commutative property in multiplication. A into B is same as B into A, means 879. Here see how many 5s. E plus 2, yes. 100 into 5 zeros are there. There are already 4 zeros. If we multiply by 10, we get 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Here, associative property. 35 into 27. Here in the middle, 98. Oh, 9. This is a distributive property. 19 into 87. 87 can be written as 18 plus 7. And 69. 205 into 69. 69 into 200. And this 205 is becoming as 200 plus 5. So like this 5. More. Just by simply seeing the question left side, we can write the right side. Fill in the blanks again. Second. Uh, 56 into 39. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. 56 into 39 can be written as 56 into 30 plus 56 into dash. Distributive property. Second, 37 into 19 can be written as 10 plus 37 plus 37 into 10 plus 37 into 5 plus 37 plus 37 into dash. Third, 18 into 47, 18 into 47 is equal to 18 into 50 minus 18 into dash. 4. 76 into 88 is equal to 76 into 90, 76 into 90 minus 76 into dash. Yes, 4. These are the second question. Fill in the blanks. Answer the distributive property. 56 into 39. 56 into 30 is there. Only, but there is given 39, but here given 30. What is the difference of this? 9 is extra added. 9. So this is 9. Now 37 into 19. 37 is there. 19 is there. But here given 10. Here 5. And what remains about 10 plus 5. 15, but here extra 4. 19 minus 15. 19 why 15 here? 10 given here, 5 given, and remaining is 4. So in the total it becomes 90. Remaining is 4. Next, this is blank. Here 18 into 47. So this is 50 given. So how much? 50 minus 47. 50 minus 47, remainder is 3. So 3 is subtract 3. 18 into 3. 76 into 88. But given is 90. 90 minus 88, 2. 90 minus 88, subtract, you will get only 2. So subtract here 2. Thus, in the blank, we have to, it will come under this property. Now, what number should replace each n? Third, third question, what number should replace each n? Oh, n. 3 questions are given. Number 1, 3 of n plus 6 is equal to 3 into 5 plus 3 into 6, like this. We have to write what will be there in n. Second, think first. Second, 7 into 4 plus n into 3 is equal to 7 of 4 plus 3. Distributive property. And third, 9 into 8 plus 8 into 8 is equal to 9 plus 8 into 10. Okay. By seeing the problem, we can write what is there in n. See, n plus 6. Here 3 is there. Okay. Here 3 is there. But here 6, here 5 is there, here 6 is there. 11. 6, but 6 is there already here. 6 are so 6 there. So in place of n, there will be 5. 5. N value is 5. See, check 3 into 5 plus 3 into 6. Like distributive property. A of B plus C. A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Now 7 into 4. 7 into 4 plus 7 into 3. So here what is not missing? 7. Distributive property. This 9 into 8, 8 into 8. So 8 is common here, 9 is there. 1 9, 1 8 common. And 8 is taken outside. So 8. So in place of n, 8 is there. Distributive property. Please check 8 into 9. 8 into 9. And 8 into 8, 8 into 8. Right. By observation only, we can say this is will come under distributive.